my channel. I'm Honeybee. On this week's episode, we are doing this Hailey Bieber inspired look. I feel like anything she does is just pure gold. I don't know. It's definitely kind of like an effortless vibe. I'm digging it. A little Y2K. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below and please keep watching. Okay, so our first step here is doing our parts. We're just gonna go straight back for a middle part. Make sure you have clips because the more organized you are, the easier it is to do these looks. You wanna make sure it's balanced on both sides. So I can see the part is right here. And I'm just gonna put my finger at the top of my ear to help guide the comb. So today I'm gonna use Mousse. I find it's the easiest product to get a sleek look with. You can also use hairspray. So now we're just gonna take sections and spray Mousse in the root area. We're gonna be putting it into ponytails. I'm gonna be using 2 elastics. I felt like one wasn't strong enough, but then I didn't want to use like a bigger ponytail or anything because we want it to be low profile. And I'm just combing it up. Make sure you're not like combing into other sections and grabbing hair from other sections. Honestly, I'd say putting this ponytail in is like the trickiest thing. Make sure you're looking in a mirror when you do this so it's as clean as possible. And when you put this ponytail in, you need to hold that tight, baby. Hold it tight, dog. I might have to try this a time or two, but I'm holding this so tight. I have to say, this is the most annoying part. This is so jacked up. It ain't looking cute, dog. It ain't looking cute. Yeah, I'd say that one's acceptable. It's a little floofy here, but what are you gonna do? We're just trying our best here, folks. Don't be so hard on yourself. You're killing it, girl. I already feel so chic, baby. So yeah, I'm using little black elastics. Make sure you double up because one is not gonna be strong enough because you need it to latch on right away, dog. Okay, on to this side. Use the crap out of that mousse or hairspray. Okay, start combing. And if you think it's smooth, like you've combed enough, comb like 5 more times. Ah, you know what? I shouldn't have forced that. Look at that chunk. Oops. Holding taut, holding taut. Ooh, that one actually looks chic, guys. Damn. Someone's freaking snowmobiling outside. It's so annoying. But look how much breakage I have on the side. I wouldn't say this looks ideal for me, but I don't think you'll really notice after the fact. Now we're putting in a 3-strand braid. If you don't know how to do one, look it up on YouTube. Figure it out, dog. In order to have the braid look as sleek as possible, we're gonna be spraying mousse in. And you wanna comb that beforehand, dog. Braid it in the direction where you want it to fall. So I'm gonna turn my head to the right. And I want the braid to sit just past my ear, so I'm gonna braid it just past my ear. Oh my gosh, obsessed! Look how good that braid looks. I feel so Hailey Bieber. Honeybee Bieber, baby. Ooh. Okay, now just do the same to the other side. You want to put the elastic in about the same spot that you had it on this side. Oh my gosh. Oops. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like I'm really bringing it with the video today, but what can you do? I'm trying my best. They can't all be winners. Okay, so if the ends of your ponytail's all jacked up, like there's so much product in mine, it's kind of crispy, I'm just gonna comb it out and flat iron it a little bit. Pull out your little hairs right here. Okay, that's the finished look. What do you guys think? I feel so effortless. Like, I just threw ponytails in and I look this cute. Like, damn, I'm ready to go on a date. I'm ready to take on grocery shopping. Thanks so much for watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to comment if you have any special requests. And if you were digging this video, then please subscribe and I'll see you next week. Bye. Good enough, bud.